What's up, guys? So yesterday we went Goodwill shopping, found a set of Logitech speakers. I have a couple more speakers around there, but we're trying to downsize and make it easier and more efficient, so we bought more stuff. But found this pair of Logitech's, let me see, Z5. This appears to be the model. Cost 19 bucks. Let's go ahead and install these guys. I want to see if we're able to. This MacBook Pro that I have out here, the one that I put the fan on, doesn't have a good set of speakers, and it's my garage office speakers equipment. So out here I sit, listen to some music. Sometimes the baby sleeps inside and not able to make that much noise. So it has a USB, which I'm assuming is power, and it has a 3.5 millimeter jack. So I believe the MacBook Pro 2015 still has the jack. I believe on this end it sure does. Let's go ahead, get the cable behind here. Yep, here it is. 3.5 millimeter in the back. Okay. Maybe I got it wrong. Oh no, it's there. Hold on. So this appears to be a small 3.5 millimeter. Interesting. Wow. Oh man, got it wrong, guys. This connects to this guy. Yeah. So this is the second speaker for this, which is a bit loose, so I'm thinking this is the reason why they replaced that. And this is the USB plug. I do have a USB hub adapter, which is over a hub 4. I got one more space. Plug it in here. After we test it, then we're gonna fix the office area. So now I'm gonna go get the sound. Let's see. Logitech Z5 speakers. There it is. As you see it, the Logitech Z5 speakers. So now I'm going to put you connect those, and I'm going to try to right speaker working. Has a nice sound. So I guess the issue here was that the second speaker, it's a bit loose. The cable here you see is a bit loose, but one works. Here it is. Oh man. Remember back in the days when you had to kind of wiggle things around to make it work? So that it's going to be one of those situations. So this is going to be one of those weird situations where I have to play with it to make it work. Wow. So yeah, the end appears to be a bit bad. Got both of them to work. The sound is great. Wow, I really like it. So if you ever get yourself a hand on the Logitech Z5, it's a good set of speakers to have in your garage. Okay guys, so that's all. The Logitech Z5 installation went well. A little bit loose on that end. I think it's a 2.5. You just gotta set it up nicely over here in the office now to make it be in the right spots in get the groove that we're looking for. But yeah, that's all, guys. See you in the next one.